Good morning guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and basically anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. First thing that we want to do is we want to remove the air filter assembly. Good morning guys. So this morning I actually just decided to clean all of my spark plugs, and looking at it, the center electrode is still good. uh, I'm gonna make a separate video on the performance spark plugs that I just received. For this one, I do have an old video on how to clean this. As you can see, it's still clean. All I needed to do is just lubricate the threads so it won't seize out the next time I remove it. And lubricating this is I'm just gonna use a WD-40. Okay, just like that, not too much.
A few moments later.
And we are on our last cylinder and last spark plug. Okay. We should be able to loosen it up by hand. And that's what we're going to do.
One eternity later.
Okay, so after briefly cleaning the spark plugs, because since they are still clean, as you can see, so we just lubricated and inspected the spark plug, all three of them. Uh, we need to do right now is just start our engine. And for you to determine if one or two spark plug is, what do you call this, either fouled out or broken, the engine should vibrate erratically. Okay, so in our case, it's idling very good. See, I'm revving it. Okay, so let's turn on the engine, or rather the air conditioning system. Okay, so let's go outside and check out the engine. Very good. So let's give it a little rev. Nice. And this should be the second video related to spark plugs. I'm gonna put my very first DIY spark plug removal and regapping as well as cleaning on the description section below. If you find this video useful, guys, please give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my latest uploads. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. See you on the next vlog.